AIRSOFTEK here. Today I'm gonna show you how to mount a keymod accessory to a keymod ray. This is a keymod small keymod ray segment. So first of all, you just need to make sure this is keymod compatible. So first of all, you take your include hardware, your Allen key or your screwdriver or whatever, and you unscrew. Not all the way, keep the screws into those tabs until you'll be able to push it. I thought I was going to sneeze, sorry. Yeah, so as you can see, you have those tabs shaped like that, and you want your tabs to be the same way, in the same direction, and basically those guys right there that can with those grabby edge like so, you want them to be on the front. So basically those guys right there gonna grab against those parts of the rail. They're gonna lock in there, they're gonna screw it, and they're gonna tight there, and it's not gonna move at all. So basically, those guys go forward. So you just put those guys in, make sure they don't rotate. Sometimes you have to guide them a little bit, sometimes you have to unscrew it a little bit more for those guys to go in, and then as you can see, it's all in. So right now they all slide in, and now you put a little pressure for it to stay in the front. I don't know if you can see. And tight it. Well, it's solid in place and it's not moving. So now you have your ray segment to it. So I know if you want to that part to go in front, you just flip them and just insert that guy the other way, because I think that's the front of it, but no, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, that's basically it. And I have not tight it like crazy. It's not moving, it's not going anywhere. So yeah. So that was a quick video. That's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you have a great day. That was the AIRSOFTEK, and I'll catch you in the next one.